Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll a little bit to find the sound section. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down again and check this phone ringtone SIM first and SIM second. So basically those are options which are connected with the phone ringtones. They are divided between two different SIM cards, so it means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first one and totally different for the second SIM card. So let me show it to you how to do it using the first SIM card. It does not really matter. After tapping on a specific option, you will be transferred to this, or actually your device will show you this pop-out window with all pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the very bottom, we've got this option Add Ringtone, which means that we can enter our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here in some of those files, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone, of course, if it is compatible. And on the other hand, at the very top of the list, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So this is how it works. And if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So for example, this one. Oh, okay. So it's quite loud. So this is how it works basically. Just tap on the specific ringtone and decide whether you like it or not. If you like it, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. If you don't like it at all, and if you want to stick to the previous one, to the default one, just tap cancel, and everything will come back to its normal state. So let's simply tap on OK to confirm, and as you can see in my case, the phone ringtone has been changed, and from now on the device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.